Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your stock car pop. Start by giving your car a deep clean, both inside and out. A sparkling exterior and spotless interior make a huge difference. Next, consider upgrading your wheel covers. They are an affordable way to dramatically change your car's side profile. Finally, swap out those dim factory interior lights for brighter LED bulbs. This simple change instantly modernizes the cabin and improves visibility. To boost your car's exterior appeal, apply a premium wax. This not only protects the paint but also gives it a deep, reflective shine that truly stands out. Think about adding a subtle window tint. It provides a sleek, cohesive look and offers some privacy. Lastly, replace those standard license plate frames with custom ones. It's a small detail, but it adds a touch of personal style and completes the polished appearance. Inside your car, comfort and style go hand in hand. Start by replacing worn-out floor mats with custom, durable ones that fit perfectly and protect your carpet. A new steering wheel cover can instantly refresh your driving experience, offering better grip and a more comfortable feel. Don't forget seat covers. They can transform the look of your seats, hide imperfections, and protect them from future wear and tear, making your interior feel brand new. For those final touches, organize your trunk with cargo nets or bins to keep everything tidy and prevent items from rolling around. A clean, organized trunk reflects a well-maintained car. Introduce a pleasant scent with a quality air freshener. A fresh-smelling car is always more inviting. These small details collectively elevate your stock car's appeal, making it truly pop without major modifications. And for more great deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.